So yesterday I started in roughly Andermatt, went as far as Decentis, and then halfway to between 2 and 3 to Ilanz. That's the whole length of the route I have left. It's quite a long way. So that's what I started out yesterday at the top of the Oberau Pass. That was a pretty cool descent. I can't wait to show you that one on video. And then today I have this stretch. I got to about here somewhere. There's a reasonably large climb along here, which I'm a bit worried about. And then I plan on going some way past Rhine, which is here, but we'll see how far I get today. Yeah, so I've just moved this pack sideways. Was going down the Alp yesterday when I got really fast. Every now and then the handlebars would start oscillating. On a motorbike you'd call it a tank slapper. So maybe the slight change in weight distribution will improve that. If this doesn't work, I'll have to move more weight into the front panniers perhaps, because I think it is the weight sticking out at the back of the bike. And the bike has really great handling. I think it's just this massive load that renders it less stable at high speed. And also I was staying at this Landquart zum Glenner. Really nice hotel, really nice. I mean, it's small, lovely room, nice and modern, but the best part was the food, the pizza last night, and the friendliness and personality of the staff. It's really cool. I had a brill time here. I did tease the lady that her bed was awesome, but it wasn't as comfortable as sleeping in the straw from Friday night. Alright, it's about to hit the road. So I'm riding up a climb between Ilanz and Rhine, and I met this really nice family with 3 kids. One on the back seat behind the mum, one on a trailer bike, and another 7-year-old on a pucky mountain bike style. And the 7-year-old has just dropped me up this climb. How cool and embarrassing is that? I'm chuffed for him. My kids can't ride that fast or that strongly. But yeah, really great family. I'm not going to film them, of course, that's their privacy. So check out this descent we're going on. That's the family in the distance that I'm riding with for the moment. And the 7-year-old that kicked my ass up the mountain. How spectacular is this? Just over there's some tunnels we're going through on the other side. What a rock. There's the family in the distance that I'm riding with. We keep them out of the video for the most part. How cool is this, right? That's a very deep gorge. I don't know if you can really see beyond these trees. Wow, look at the roadway here. Yeah, I'm going to... This is so cool. Look at the river down there. I'm going to be naughty and go on the wrong side here for a bit. Fantastic, huh? I'm somewhere south of Flimslaks, and both the Komoot route and a keen cyclotourist I met in Andermatt told me to come this way. And there's been some monster climbs, but you know what, it's worth it. This is so gorgeous. There's been quite a few cyclists through here. a Harley rider, some sport motorcyclists.
Het wird ja schon trümmelig im Auflaufen.
Smell of the countryside, yeah. It's cool. I actually kind of like that.
Then turn left.
So beautiful. Hello.
Now turn left onto Nevenstros.
This one. Dag. So we're coming up quite shortly to the junction of the Rhine and the Rhine.
Follow this way for 450 meters.
Hoi!
Hallo.
Great day. I spent a good sort of 2 hours with that family. They were really nice people, very sporty. I mean, their mum met them on that that little promontory lookout thing, and she cycled. She's like in her 60s, and she'd cycled sort of 11 kilometers in these hills to bring them all a cake to enjoy together. How cool is that? Hello. So this is still the Rhine, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, it's really nice.
Follow this way for 800 meters.
I'm using the app Komoot. It seemed like a nice easy way for me to have the GPX files and not have to fuss. Because yeah, I'm inherently lazy when it comes to route planning. I'm very much on the see what's possible and then wing it on a day-by-day basis. I haven't booked any accommodation for my trip. Well, apart from the barn on the first night. So I think under that bridge must be the Rhine. Hello.
70 meters turn left and continue on via Chinolas. Then turn left.
Yeah, okay. So this, I think, is the Rhine, and that's ahead of us. Underneath the train must be, I mean, the Rhine is there, and this is the Rhine underneath me. Wow. The water has suddenly got a whole lot more than it was even a couple of hours ago. Much greater volume here. Nice steep climb, 8 to 10%. I'm going super slowly, 3 to 4 miles an hour.
Next right.
I just pulled off to the side for a quick hedge stop. Sometimes you gotta look behind you too, huh? This is where I came from. I need to go that way. Look at that mountain. Is that some kind of a salmon run? I have no idea. Surely not up a river this big. I didn't realize there's a weir here. Even so, that's a lot bigger than it was. So I'm just north of Geur, riding for another half hour or so, then I'll stop and have some lunch. Some of it's been beside industrial stuff and this railway and highway, which isn't so great, and some has been nicely alongside the Rhine gorge. Awesome! How are we doing for time? 2:30? I reckon I could stop and have some lunch there. I'm getting a bit tired now. Legs are definitely feeling tired now. Yeah, I found a nice campsite. I am giving up here. 52 kilometers and I'm knackered. It's lovely. I got all the facilities.